This is Government Postgraduate College, Attack, and I am Muhammad Ali, lecturer in English. This online class is for first year, and the subject is English. And I have selected book 3, English book 3, and we are discussing play number 2. The name of that play is Visit to a Small Planet, written by Gore Vidal. So, students, you may open your textbook from that page, because I will explain in detail the text about which I explained the difficult words in my previous lecture. So, the first sentence, that is the stock shot, means a film clip that was already recorded. In that, what do we find? The night sky. Then slowly a luminous object arcs into view as it is almost upon us, dissolves to the living room of the Spalding house in Maryland. So, explanation of these sentences. The dramatist, through this stock shot, he actually presents and he has informed us by presenting a stock shot, and we come to know that it is night time and there are stars in the sky. So, the time is night, it is night, and in the sky there are stars in the sky. And after that, the dramatist shows us, and we see that a bright object comes in view. It moves with a curving trajectory. When the writer and the dramatist writes arcs into view, it means he bends, that the object bends, and it moves in a bent form. It moves with a curving trajectory or path, or it bends. And it seems that this object and this spaceship, this flying object, it is coming over them, means over the characters or the house of the characters. Then the dramatist shows us the living room of the Spalding house in Maryland, America. He also, and now we would actually also get the explanation of the house as well. There is a superimposed card, the card that is visible, and the time is written. The time is the day after tomorrow. The superimposed card, or the card that is placed on the top, indicates or points out the time that it is the day after tomorrow. The room is comfortably balanced. I am reading this very sentence from your textbook. The room is comfortably balanced between the extensively decorated and the homely. It means the living room that is described, it is beautifully and comfortably balanced and poised between expensively or costly decorated or ornamented things, and it is also furnished with the simple or plain things as well. So, there are costly things and ornaments, they are placed in the room, as well as plain and simple things are also there in the room. Next sentence, Roger Spalding is concluding his TV broadcast. He is middle-aged, unctuous resident. Roger Spalding, who actually reads out the news on television, he is concluding, he is ending his television program, and he is middle aged, and anxious means he is having flattering or oily voice, very sweet voice, and resonant means a ringing voice, very strong voice, beautiful voice. Whereas his wife, bored and vague, knits passively while he talks at his desk. The wife of Mr. Spalding, that is uninterested, she is tired, and she is unclear, she is vague, and she knits or weaves lazily or without interest. Whereas Spalding talks at his desk means he actually presents news to the spectators and audience. And the wife of Spalding, she knits. Two technicians are on hand operating the equipment. There are two technicians who work on technical equipment or the tools that are needed for television broadcasting. They are working, and whereas his daughter Ellen, a lively girl of 20, fidgets as she listens. This Mr. Spalding, he talks, he presents news, and his daughter, whose name is Ellen, and the Ellen is a very spirited and energetic girl. When she listens to the news, she seems uneasy and she seems restless, and therefore she fidgets. So in these lines, in the opening lines, the description of the room, the description of different characters have been actually presented by the dramatist, and this the opening of the scene. Thank you very much.